So I absolutely agree that net neutrality is a key issue for Congress, and that our media is what flavors our public discourse and informs our citizens, and making sure that corporate interests are not unduly influencing that is very, very important. I think the FCC as a governing body is prepared to take that charge, but also needs to be given the right kind of direction and guidelines by Congress. We also need to make sure that, not just on the net neutrality side, but in general, that our digital infrastructure is sort of invested in as much as our physical infrastructure in order to compete and be innovative in the future economy. So as was mentioned here, part of our North Coast District actually has one broadband line that runs up through Humboldt County. One broadband line serves all of the county, and when it goes down, the hospital doesn't have internet and the police force doesn't have internet. So there are some key infrastructure things we need to be investing in from a digital perspective, as well as the policy and governing issues around net neutrality and other digital rights and ownership that Congress should be taking care of.
Thank you, Stacey.